Hello and namaste. This is your host and guide Dipendra from Jaipur, India, saying hello to every of our viewers. And this is in continuation to the food tours of Sticker Travels. Today we are preparing a very special egg dish of India. There is a city called Hyderabad, and from the Hyderabad is this recipe of egg curry. This recipe is a bit different in comparison to other egg curries of India, as it have a green base. Normally the egg curry is cooked in reddish base, but this egg curry of Hyderabad have a green base. So what are the things we require to make this Hyderabadi egg curry? Let's see. There is no egg curry without the eggs. So according to the people, how many people they are, you can take the eggs. Second thing we will be requiring is the mint, fresh mint, green coriander, ginger and green chilies. Here I would like to specify that this variety of green chili is not very spicy. You can take as many according to your taste. And then we will be requiring yogurt. You can use the homemade yogurt, or you can buy a small size from the market. So these are the things we'll be requiring, and you have to make a paste of it. The coriander, mint, ginger and green chili. You have to make a paste as fine as possible. So here you will see that we have taken out the mint leaves, we have chopped the coriander, the ginger is peeled off, we have taken 4 green chilies, the yogurt is here, 1 big size onion and garlic. Now we will take a mixer, we will put the chilies, the garlic, onion, garlic, coriander and mint. We have put everything inside the mixer, and now we will make a fine paste of everything by grinding it. Make a paste which is as fine as possible. Now we will heat a pan, and then we will take about 1 tablespoon of oil. You can take any vegetable oil or mustard oil or any oil you want. Let the oil heat on low flame. We lower the flame. The oil is heated. Now we will take about 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. This is cumin seed, and we will add the curry leaves. The curry leaves and the cumin is cooked, so we will add our paste of chili, coriander, mint, etc., which we have prepared earlier. As the paste is coming to a boil, we will add the yogurt. You can use homemade yogurt or you can buy it from the market. So we have added yogurt and we will cook it well. Now we will cook it. There's no need to add water because the mint and the coriander and yogurt have water. So there's no need of adding the water. Now we will add salt according to taste, some dry coriander powder and red chili according to taste. These three things we will add now. Dry coriander, we will add red chilies, and salt according to taste. Let it cook. You have to cook it till the oil comes out. You have to cook it well so that the oil comes out. And there is a secret to this recipe of green egg curry or Hyderabadi egg curry, that as the oil comes out, we will add very little sugar to normalize the bitterness of coriander and mint. Very little sugar you have to add inside it. So now it is ready to add our secret ingredient, which is a little sugar, sweet sugar, to caramelize it. Let it cook for a while and then we will add the boiled eggs. In a little while, we will add the boiled eggs without cutting them. As it has come to cooking, now we will add the boiled eggs. You can prepare this recipe according to your need, as for how many people you are preparing. I am just preparing for myself. So I have taken 2 eggs, which is sufficient for me. And now let the boiled eggs cook inside this gravy. We have added them without cutting them. So let it cook with the gravy. Nice smell is coming and our Hyderabadi curry is almost ready. So now it is time to dish out. I will dish out and I will show you the final product. So our dish is ready to eat. Make it at home and tell me how it was made and how was the taste. It can either be ate with bread or rice. Awesome taste, a traditional recipe, Hyderabadi egg curry. This is Dipendra Singh from India signing out. Take care of your health. Namaste.
Stika Virtual Travel Agency.